Today, I just received a JFEGWO product that's just a dedicated tire inflator. Comes a little cute handy case here. Just throw it in your glove compartment or your trunk. And then if you have low pressure in your tires, you can always whip this out and just inflate your tires. Been working on this recently, and the front tires, while they hold air for the most part, it's still kind of soft, so it leaks a little bit. So we're going to test it today by using our new tire inflator and pump it up to what it's supposed to be. Really handy, small, compact, very sharp looking too. Turn the power on. LCD display. You can set your PSI and then it'll shut off automatically when it gets to that level. You can also choose between different things, PSI, bar, KP, something or other. I'm not really too sure. Here's a button for a light. Press that for 3 seconds. There we go. And then you have a flashing LED light. Press it again and it strobes, or it gives the SOS, Save Our Souls signal, meaning that you need help. And you have a steady light in case you need to see in the dark. Over here you have a battery strength bar, and it shows it's fully charged. Also, you have an input for a USB-C cable. The other part of the case, we have the USB-C charging cable, several nozzles for different things, such as your basketballs, your pool toys, different valves to inflate your tires, and that's attached onto the hose here that you would connect the valve onto your tire. You would insert that right in here. Hey, the garbage guys are here. You guys need any air in your tires? So usually lawn tractor tires take about 10 psi, but I want it to be a little bit more, so I set it to 12. So right now it's showing 6. It was 5.5. And so when it goes to 12, it'll stop by itself. There you go. Stop by itself. You don't have to stand here waiting for it to get there. And you won't have it overinflated. And here we're on the other side. And there we go. Stopped at 12, just where I needed it to be. Super fast, and as you can see, pumping up 2 tires, we still have a full battery strength of 4 bars. So whether you have a lawn tractor tire or a truck tire that you need to inflate, just go ahead and put this JFEGWO tire inflator in your glove compartment or your trunk, and whenever you need it, it's ready to go. You could also charge up your electronics with this and use this input for charging up your unit. We pumped up 2 tractor tires today. Took less than 2 minutes, and it didn't even take up any electricity. This is a great little small handy portable item here, convenient for when you need it. I'll leave a link in the description if you guys want one. We'll check you guys out later at Mowers and Blowers.